A10K is not a verdict. It is a lesson plan. We loaded Kraft Heinz fiscal 2025 annual filing directly from SEC Edgar. Revenue fell 3.5%. Net income was a loss, while operating cash remained positive. That changes the denominator. A negative cash conversion ratio cannot be read like an ordinary result below 100%. Receivables take 33 days. Inventory takes 69.5. The cash cycle is 7.9 days. The method repeats: formula, cause, filing evidence, then a planning action. Before assuming recovery, identify the volume, pricing, mix and cost drivers that must change. Learn the method, then use it on every annual filing with Fintelligent Education.